I'm Ashley Jessen, COO at ACY Securities, and today I'm talking with EZZ Life Science Holdings. EZZ Life Science Holdings is trading on the ASX under the code EZZ with a market capitalisation of around $128 million. Results in 2024 have been spectacular, seeing the price rise over 500% since March this year. Joining me today is EZZ Director of Corporate Affairs, James Hudson. Welcome, James.
Thank you very much for having me, Ashley. Thank you.
Nice one. Can you tell us a little bit about EZZ and what the company does?
Thank you very much. Well, EZZ, we develop and distribute a range of healthcare products, functional food products, hair care products, and we also are the exclusive distributor of a range of skincare products under the brand Euron. We operate in mainland China, Australia, New Zealand, and a number of markets within Southeast Asia. And we've had very, very good growth this year and very excited about the next steps for the company. Nice one.
It has been quite spectacular, actually. Now, EZZ announced its full year 24 preliminary results last week. Can you talk us about the impressive numbers that were coming through there?
I certainly can. So we had revenue last year of $66.4 million, which was up nearly 80% year on year. We also had NPAT of $6.9 million, and we're in a fantastic cash position. We have $19 million cash in the bank with no external debt. So we're thinking now what the next plans are for the cash that we have.
Yeah, perfect. Speaking of that, you recently received US FDA approval for a number of your products. When does US market entry look like for the company?
It's a good question. So we have 9 products now approved by the US FDA under the food category. This is kind of the first step for market entry in the US. The US is a big but also very, very competitive market. And what we're looking to do is to enter this market using a lot of the knowledge and infrastructure that we've built up around our businesses in China, using that digital infrastructure, digital media, short form video influencers. So we've established a TikTok store in the US, and we're also in the process of finalising an Amazon store, and we're looking at launching our products before the end of this calendar year, so in the first half of 2025. So we're very, very excited to be entering the US market.
Yeah. Okay, so it's quite a number of products there, and you're looking to launch another 10 or so products for the first half next year?
That's right. So
how does EZZ develop its products and bring the new products to market?
So look, EZZ, a big proportion of our sales are through kind of digital marketplaces. So your Douyin or China's TikTok or Amazon, eBay, other China platforms like Kuaishou and Alibaba's Tmall. And what these marketplaces do for us is provide us incredible insights into our customers because of the data that's behind the purchases. So we really understand the demographics of our consumers. We understand what they're looking for, whether they're mums, women, their age range, and that really enables us to work with that data and those consumer insights to develop really great products that resonate with our consumers. I think for us it's also about being nimble. So China is a very trend-driven market, and so it's really about having a finger on the pulse and really thinking, well, what are consumers looking for this year? How are their preferences changing? And what can we do to engage with them and give them a product that they really love and want?
Yeah, that is really important, especially with the influencers. They love putting a lot of videos together.
It's a very influencer-driven market. A lot of live streaming, which is something you don't get a lot of here. It's the influencers stream live and actually sell the products on that live stream. So it's really engaging to watch them at work.
Yeah, and you never know when that audience is going to take it up and all
That's
the
right,
people.
Absolutely.
Okay, nice one. Well, with the growth, you obviously have mentioned in some recent presentations about some acquisition opportunities. What type of acquisition opportunities is EZZ looking at?
Look, as I mentioned, we're in a really great cash position with $19 million in the bank. And we're really focused on finding some opportunities where we can maximise the returns of our shareholders and also grow our business. So we've been looking closely at a few acquisition opportunities that are complementary to our existing offerings. So that might be diversifying the revenue mix for the business. It might be looking at complementary products or brands. It might be looking at entering new regions through this acquisition. So whilst we haven't found the right target just yet, we're pretty committed to finding something, and we're really committed to finding the right fit as well in the however long that takes. But we certainly understand there's an urgency to deploy that capital.
Yeah, for sure, yeah. And all around the world there'll be some opportunities there. So
absolutely,
looking aggressively in Southeast Asia, maybe America as well, I take it.
Who knows where we'll end up.
All right. So China's economy has seen some slow growth over the past few quarters, and what does EZZ see as some of the drivers of growth and the potential there in that market?
Look, I think China's had been a little bit, the growth has been a little bit slower the last few quarters, but I think EZZ's in quite a unique position in that the product mix, i.e. healthcare products, have been very resilient in that growth. Chinese consumers are more focused on their health than ever before following COVID-19, and they really want to find proactive ways to manage and look after their own health. We've also signed an agreement with Pine Hills recently, which is $15 million of revenue over the first 12 months, entering a whole range of omni-channel distribution points in China. So we are still very excited and optimistic about the Chinese market. It's a big driver of growth for us, and we still see a lot of opportunity. It's a huge market, and at the end of the day, our penetration is still very small. So there's still a lot of room to grow. Yeah,
nice one. Well, it's a fascinating story. It's certainly created quite a lot of buzz in our office here in terms of the growth. It's not easy getting 500+% in a short couple of months. So well done. It looks like exciting opportunities, good growth opportunities going forward, and be interesting to see. Well, with our clients, they can actually trade EZZ through our CFD offering via MT5 actually. So for anyone looking to trade that, you're welcome to trade it with ACY Securities. But James, thank you very much. Very informative. Very impressive numbers. You must be on a bit of a high yourself.
We're very excited. Look, it's a great business to be in, and there's a lot of opportunity. But thank you very much for having me, Ashley.
Thanks, James. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.